Esurance Auto Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Esurance Auto Insurance app is designed for easy policy management, but most people get this wrong if they think it's only for digital IT cards. It provides a comprehensive mobile experience for claims, payments, and policy updates. On the pros side, you can view and manage policies, pay bills, and access digital IT cards instantly. Claims can be filed with photo uploads and tracked in real time. The app also includes roadside assistance, notifications for policy changes, and an intuitive dashboard for easy navigation. Users appreciate its speed, convenience, and overall user-friendly design. On the con side, some users experience occasional glitches with claims submissions or notifications. The app lacks advanced analytics or insights for policy optimization. Offline access is limited, so connectivity is required for most features. In conclusion, the Esurance Auto Insurance app is perfect for users seeking convenience, fast claims processing, and easy policy management. While it may not provide advanced analytics, it delivers a reliable, accessible mobile insurance experience.